What's up guys, it's me, obviously. Today's Christmas, like it's Christmas Day, and I'm filming this on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. And obviously I'm doing like a haul of like all the stuff I got for Christmas. And obviously I do want to say like I'm grateful for everything I have, and I'm not trying to brag in any way, because some people might take it the wrong way, and that's not at all what I'm trying to come off as. It's like a haul, like if it were a clothing haul, that's basically what I'm doing. It's a haul. And if you can hear my sisters, I'm sorry. They're being loud, or they're playing with their toys and whatnot. So yeah, let's just start with stuff I got from my stepdad's side of the family. I got this thing from my aunt. Her name's Christina. I got $10 for Starbucks. That's exciting. And then it has a peppermint hot cocoa mix. And this is a stainless steel cup. And so like I could take this to school. Pretty sure. And yeah, I'll put like my coffee in here and whatnot. So that's so exciting. And I have these cute little socks. I didn't want to open them yet. Puma opened her. She got some unicorn ones. And they're just like cute little socks and stuff. And this is also for my aunt. It's a chocolate chip cookie candle. I got $5 for Starbucks from my uncle. Exciting. And then I got these pajamas. And they're just flannel pajamas, and they have pockets. So like that basically confirmed that I can wear them to school because they have pockets. And this like regular, I don't think it's gonna fit me. It looks too big, like this. So I might have to have my grandma sew it for me. But it's just a normal like tank top. My aunt Eileen, it's just like a hoodie. Yeah, it's just like a gray hoodie, and that's exciting too. It's like plain. I love plain stuff, so that's exciting. Okay, and then all of this Halloween stuff I'm showing you right now is from my dad, my biological dad. I got 2 8-packs of gum. I love gum so much. I have the Orbit Sweet Mint gum and Polar Ice gum, both 8. That's so exciting. Like, you don't even know how excited I am. 2 pairs of sweats. They look big, but I do like the drawstring. But they're just regular black Nike sweats. I have them in the men's size, so like they're small in men's. Kind of the same ones in gray, but these have different like strings. These are in women though. It's size small. I love like how the cuffed looks on the bottom. So, and then I got a Friends hoodie. It's just a simple like Friends hoodie. Puma got one too, and it has like lines on the sleeves. 2 pillowcases. I have one that says "That's What She Said." And then I got another one. I have World's Best Boss. These are both The Office. And then I got stickers, like a bunch of Office stickers. Me and Puma split them, and we like agreed who would get what. And yeah. And then I got, I'm so excited for this. My dad got like the picture, but he bought the frame. He got this off Amazon, and then the frame, he bought it like at Target. Yeah, this is from American Horror Story. I'm really excited for that. And to hang it up. And then I got 2 vinyls. I got a Panic at the Disco one. A Fever You Can't Sweat Out. This is one of my most favorite albums by them. This one got me so happy. I've been wanting this one for the longest time. I Want to Die in New Orleans. Suicide Boys. If you don't listen to them and you're into like explicit music, their music is the way to go. So I'm really excited to listen to that. I also have a Bandito one that I got a long time ago. The album by 21 Pilots. I got 2 posters. This is like a picture sort of material. It's not like paper. It's just the Halloween one. Oh, Beetlejuice. I'll show it when I put it. I don't want to get it out right now. It's a Beetlejuice poster. I'm so excited for that one. Last thing I got from my dad is a comforter. It's a coordinating bedding set. It has a comforter. And I'm really excited to put it on my bed. I haven't opened really any of my stuff because I was going to film. So yeah, the comforter, my dad bought me and Puma the same blanket. It's just a gray normal blanket because the one I have is on its last limb from my grandma. This needs batteries, so I need to get batteries for it. I need to get batteries for this, but it's just like a light up mirror. I'm really excited because I've been wanting like a light up mirror. So I got that. Where the pants are, I don't know if they fell out in the car, but I was wearing it right now, but I took it off because I washed dishes. She got me Halloween pajamas and it made me so happy. She got my Halloween pajamas too. And the pajama pants have skulls on them. It looks really cool, so I like those a lot. We're gonna say all the stuff that I got from my mom and dad. My mom and stepdad. Because, like, you guys get confused with, like, dad and dad, so I say biological dad and stepdad. The DERF, if you're from my mom's channel. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the thing that I picked out, and it came in the wrong size. I basically picked out a zip-up sweater, because I really need a zip-up, and I picked it out, and it was in men's. Alright, this is important to the story. And we got it in the mail. It's in little girls. It's a size small in girls, like a tiny girl. So I'm gonna give it to my little sisters, like my little sisters, because they like share everything. This is the scrunchie my sister gave me. It has coffins on it. So I got these rainbow socks. My mom got them for me. I love them. I also like crew socks, so it's like rainbow and crew socks. Really cute. I got 3 shirts that are Coraline. I have this one, and I got another one. I thought it was cocoa at first because of the colors. And then I got another one. It's all white. This one is creepy, but I freaking love it. What's cool about all of these is that they're all fan art, so like fans drew them, so I think that's really cool. And I got this shirt. I picked it out, but my mom was like, I'll give it to you for Christmas. It's just a simple black and white shirt. And then I got like in boys, I got an extra large in this. It doesn't look extra large, but since it's in like boys, it's just like a baseball tee. And then I got 2 sports bras, just a black one and like a maroon-ish heathery color. And then I got a bunch of Nike socks, like the crew socks. It's just your normal Nike socks. Black Nike shorts. Oh, and then my mom gave me this. She picked out 3 from Hot Topic, and this was one of them, and Puma got one, and then my mom got one. She got like a Mickey Mouse Cinderella one. Then Dose. I've never played this before. I've always played Uno, you know, your staple Uno, but I've never played Dose, whatever. And I got a Nerf gun. I really wanted one, judge me, but I really wanted a Nerf gun, and all of my sisters got one too. So my parents, obviously this is for all of us, but my parents got this, so it's 200 darts. That is super exciting. My Uncle Rick got me and my 3 sisters laser tag. Like straight up laser tag. We're gonna play it tonight and I'm so excited. Like we saw laser tag and we were like, oh my god. So that's really exciting. And then I was in the store and I was like, oh my god, I really want Cards Against Humanity. And my mom just like sort of played it off. And she got me Cards Against Humanity and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take it like to school. And yeah, I'm really excited. And me and Pumbaa are gonna cut this to see what's in it, because supposedly there's always one in it. So Cards Against Humanity, I'm really excited for that. My mom randomly got me this hat. Basically my aunt Claudia, she does hair, she was wearing this hat one time and she just like looked so good in it, and me and my mom are those kind of people that like we could never ever wear that, you know. But my mom got me sort of the same hat. I think I look kind of dumb, but I like it, and it reminds me of Lydia, so I like it. I got a wallet. I really wanted a wallet, and it's just your normal leather black wallet. I just wanted a simple wallet because I have like a debit, I have my school ID, and I have money, so I could put it in my wallet now and I won't lose it, because I would always just stick it in my pocket and have a very high chance of losing it. But, stocking. This didn't come in a stocking, but this is the cutest beanie ever. Look at, and then it has the butt. I think that's so cute. Okay, I got Hershey's Reese's. Yeah. Just staple. Tiny tin. No. Play-Doh. Duh. Everything's up the butt. I'm so excited for this. Slime. My mom just likes to put little stuff in it. It's really cute. I got chapstick. Hold on. And more chapstick. This one lasted me like 6 months. In love with it. I freaking love it. And I just ran out like 2 weeks ago and I was so upset. So my mom got me 2 of them, and then just your normal Vaseline one, and I'm so excited for this. And my mom got me like a sponge thing for like whenever I put like foundation on my eyes whenever I do that. And then this is like, it came with this. It basically like is supposed to take off your makeup like dramatically or something like that. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so I guess that'll come in handy. Oh, and then my little sister Sonia got this for me. It's just like for it's a coaster. She got everyone in the family one, and I thought it was really cute. I also got my family stuff. I'm not gonna, and I got stuff for my friends, but that'll be maybe a separate video. I don't know, I haven't really decided. And then my mom got me 8 packs of Trident gum. So I got 16 for my dad and 8 for my mom, so I have 24 packs of gum. That is a lot. That should last me at least until May. Maybe longer, hopefully. And then my mom, I'm not really a bath person, but this smells so good, so my mom was like, I have to get it. When I tell you, if I could have a scent in this, like a perfume, I would cry. Because, oh, it smells so good. It's coconut hibiscus. I'm in love with it. And then I just got, like, candy. 3 candy canes and a ring pop. And I think that's it. And if I missed stuff, it's probably in the car from last night. Really exciting. I'm excited to put everything away now. I've been waiting. That literally made me drool. I've been waiting to do this so I could put everything away. And again, I want to say I'm really grateful for everything. That I have a roof over my head. And I'm grateful for my family. And I gave back to them because I could this year. And I'm really happy that I could give back. I gave stuff to my dad. And my mom and my stepdad. And Pumbaa and my friends. I'm gonna go to Riley's house probably when her thing comes in the mail, and then I'm gonna go give her stuff. And then my other friend, I'm gonna give her the stuff at school. And I bought her cousin stuff because I love her cousin. And I'm just really happy that I could give back this year because I make money off YouTube now, and I make enough that I can buy people stuff. And yeah, so that felt really good to give back. And I'm really grateful for all the stuff I have, and now I'm gonna go put it away and clean my room because it is looking a hot mess right now. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day today. And I will see you guys whenever I upload again. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye.